well, first of all, I'm gonna make some looks because I like making looks. I'm gonna make some looks of myself and maybe some looks of other people. But first, let's answer this. So that's that girl. Ooh, everybody just got on it once. No, it's just glitching. Okay. Well, let's answer. Well, not answer. My movie received videos. Oh, let's watch a movie that I made. I want you guys to see my movies. So, I added the bear costume to my wish list. So, can I have the bear costume on my wish list? Okay. Send. Okay. Let's watch a movie that I made. Let's watch my latest ones. Mine. I don't watch this one. Let's watch New House first. Let's just watch this. Welcome to okay, never mind. I'm not gonna try to do that. On second thought, let's not. Okay. So this guy says that he could be your job. I want the blah blah blah. Oh, she just left. Oh, he got it for me! Thank you, but now I have to go over to my profile. Yay! Teddy onesie! Thank you! Now we have our teddy onesie. Let's see. Come on, take these off. Never mind. Teddy onesie! Alright, let's see. What goes with this? No. Yes! Okay, let's see. Shoes. No. Maybe. No. Well, maybe. No. That's a clear no. Dang it! It doesn't match, but I mean, like, it's not bad. It isn't bad. It isn't bad. Oh, okay, yeah, we can do those. That's fine, I guess. It's like fun. So, let's have the love hearts, and let's... Oh, this is exciting. Okay. Yay! You know, Ismazen has updated his room. Let's go talk to my friend. I'm recording! Say hello! Single in the series graphic unicorn there. Hacked by my own cousin. That's sad. Packed by my own cousin. I know you did. Thank you. Is that all you wanted? I'll be right back, guys. Okay, back. Just had to take a little break. We're still where we were. Yeah, I'm recording. Yes. Party up in here. Maybe I should have sent a heart to him. Awkward. Okay. So let's get to it. Let's make a look at my new outfit. It's gonna be like this, but it's gonna be a School of Magic uniform. So, take a look. And it's gonna be a type different. So, we're gonna have this, and we're gonna have this. Because I like the. Don't know what that was. So, yeah. Let's get my backpack. We'll wear a football tattoo, because we're so cool. Hair goes with everything, which is why I love it so dearly. And we're gonna have to end soon, so let's get on with it. Can we take these things off? No, we cannot. That is okay. Let's quickly finish this up with... Let's finish this up